If you want to go to your location services, you want to open system settings. I have it right here on my dock, so you just click on it once and then it will open. Is the quickest way to do it if you have it on your dock. Well, if you don't have it on your dock, you just go on the Apple icon on your menu bar in the corner right here, just click on it and then you hover down to system settings and then you just click on it. Then it will open system settings. So to get to location services, you want to go down to privacy and security and then just click on it, and then you go to location services. It's right here on the top and then you just click on it. And then if you want to turn off location services completely off your MacBook, then you can just go ahead and then click on this button and it will ask you to put in your MacBook password or just use the Touch ID is the quickest way to do it. Then once you put in your password, it will turn off all location services. After I use my fingerprint, then it will ask you turn off location services. This will prevent you from locating this Mac. Everything is going to be turned off and then everything will be off. If I'm going to put it back on, then it won't ask me for the password. So if you want to switch off your locations for other apps that are on your MacBook, you can do it on an individual basis without having to switch everything off. Because once you switch location services off on this, sometimes if you want to use weather, maps or anything that needs your location, you won't be able to access it and your Mac won't work the same way. So if you want to switch off apps on an individual level, you can just do them one by one. So I want to switch off maps, I just go ahead and I click it. Sometimes it will ask you for the Mac password, so you can just go ahead and use your fingerprint. It's quicker. Or if you want to use your password, however you're working on your Mac system. Safari, I don't want it to have access, I'll just leave the weather. Another thing that you can do is to go to system services and then click on details. And then here it's even more details that you can find here. If you want location based alerts to be switched off, you can just go ahead and click and then switch them off. And anything that you want off, you can just go ahead and switch all of these things off. So it's that easy to stop sharing location with specific apps on your MacBook. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe for more videos that are just like this.